Looking for a luxurious project with 2 and 3 BHK apartments with studio apartments options also, then come to Pearl Harmony at Dadar West, providing 2 and 3 BHK apartments with studio options with a size starting from 2 BHK 535 square feet for price at 2.41 CR and 3 BHK for 1156 square feet at 5.21 CR. For studio apartments, it is 261 square feet for 1.181 CR onward, and for 305 studio, it is 1.37 CR onwards.
Welcome to DHC New Homes. It is one-stop solution for all new home buying and investment needs. We are RERA registered advisors. We specialize in serving HNIs, NRIs and new home buyers with our A1 developers top 3 project suggestions according to your requirements. Virtual site visits, give bottom rate, free interior designing consultation, free movers and packers and personalized service. Choose DHC for a seamless and professional experience. All of this with zero brokerage. Call us on given number or visit our website www.dhcnewhomes.com now.
Hello guys and welcome back to DHC New Homes channel. This is your host Smita and today we are exploring Pearl Harmony at Dadar West by Pearl Constructions. As we step into the living room, a beautiful big living room we are seeing. Now we are stepping inside one of the bedrooms of the house. It is meticulously designed to create a soothing and tranquil atmosphere, providing the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everybody's life. The window provides ample of lighting to the bedroom. From the bedroom, we move forward to the other rooms. As this is a sample tour, then we will tell you everything about this project so that from your house only you can see and you can know about it. Now we are going to the powder area, a beautiful powder area. Now we are entering the second bedroom of the house. The second bedroom of the house has a big window, an ample storage and a beautiful view from the window. The view is so nice that we can sit for long hours from this window and see. They also provide an inbuilt bathroom to the master bedroom. Moving forward to the kitchen space of the house. A very important thing for the house is the kitchen space. Thoughtfully planned, optimized every inch of the available space, it allows for efficient workflow, making the meal preparation a seamless and enjoyable experience with 2 platforms on one side each. Now moving forward about the project, but before that, do subscribe to our channel DHC New Homes for updates about the projects in Mumbai. Some of the basic amenities provided by the builder are kids play area, swimming pool, indoor games, normal park, 24-hour security, oil-bound dust temper, vertified tiles, platform in the kitchen, sink in the kitchen. The location of Pearl Harmony is a major plus for buyers looking to invest in the property in Mumbai, as it is one of the most prestigious address of Mumbai with many facilities and utilities near Dadar West. This is also a ready to move in project. Thank you for watching.